Hello there and welcome. My name is Linda Ektadari and I will be reviewing Enigma Code by Jason Evans. That's me in the picture collage in the center of the page. I guess you could tell what I'm trying to tell you, and that is that I'm a world traveler. Having studied and taught at universities around the world, I've learned to adapt to foreign languages and cultures. Well, I'm still a traveler today, couldn't let it go, but this time in a very different world, the world of internet marketing, and it has its own foreign language and culture. Believe me, learning to adapt to it has not always been easy. Internet marketing has been a new and challenging adventure from which I've drawn the strengths that have made me a better internet marketer today. So please allow me to make this adventure a little easier for you and share with you what I've learned. With that being said, simply allow me to be your passport to internet marketing success. As I mentioned, this is a video review of Enigma Code by Jason Evans, and I'm not affiliated with either in any way, and so I'm not being compensated for this program. So I can assure you that safe passage is definitely guaranteed. In the next few moments, I'm going to share my thoughts and findings on this product. I know you're excited about purchasing the product and been encouraged to learn more about it. This review will help you to make some final decisions. So let's just go ahead and begin, but with a precaution, if I may. Important here is don't buy Enigma Code before watching this video review to the end, because I want to advise you of several precautionary measures you may wish to consider before trading with it. And should you decide not to go with Enigma Code at the moment, you don't need to leave empty-handed. You could make a decision to accept a very special free offer, which can be used to make money quickly without depositing money with a broker, without forecasting, and without risk-taking. And it's Jeff Buchanan's Instant Payday Network right here. And you can click the link below this video at my website, passport to internetmarketingsuccess.com, to take it with you, or you can just bookmark it, whichever works best for you. Okay, so now I think we can go ahead and begin. Enigma Code is a fully automated worldwide trading software and signal provider developed by Jason Evans. It's claimed that the software indicators tell you what to trade and when to trade based on algorithms and strategies. On autopilot, it trades for you according to the budget, preferences, and instructions you give it. The software does the work that used to be done manually and has a built-in social performance reporting feature where traders share communication. Other features are that there are 3 options for access: downloading a web version and or an app, short and long term trades, and great support and training. The risk factor is if the signals are delayed or the SMS systems fail to deliver the alerts. It doesn't matter how good this system is. And that's a shame, because Jason Evans has put a lot of time and work into this system. But right now I want to move on and just talk a little bit about the relationship between developers, brokers, and traders. As a trader, I know you're eager to open trading accounts and hoping you're going to learn how to trade and to make even more money. And developers know this. Oh, there's nothing wrong with that. That's partially why they create the programs that they do create. But you need to also realize that developers often get kickbacks from trading companies when new accounts are open, because suggested brokers are often listed in the software programs. That's why Jason's able to give the system away for free initially. Everyone continues to make money 100% of the time except you, because this type of a system is based on forecasting. You don't really think about this when you hear about the system. It's free, exciting, you want to get started with it right away. And again, there's nothing wrong with that. But you just must proceed with caution. Now, if you're just starting out and have not traded binary options before, you need to know that this method of trading is very risky, as it is an all or nothing proposition where payoffs are a fixed amount or nothing. This means that if you win, you get the fixed amount. If you lose, you get nothing. You lose the whole trade amount. So all you're doing is predicting whether the value of an asset will go up or down within a trade period of time. Forecasts are not certain, just like weather predictions and weather forecasts are not always certain. Should you use the system? Maybe it simply depends on how much risk you're willing to take on, because it's impossible, as you know, to win every option, and that's just being realistic. So, because of this, I can't say, I'm not really able to say whether you will make money with this product or not. I do know, however, that there are safer, freer ways to make money online, such as with the program I previously mentioned, Instant Payday Network. And you can click the link below this video to get it. But a good rule of thumb is simply not to trade binary options unless you do not need the money you might lose. And this advice comes from the Federal Trade Commission. Okay, the system, if you decide to use it, it does tell you what to trade and when to trade. And some things, general things you need to know are, in order to get started, you need to make a deposit with a recommended broker. Most trading accounts require that you deposit a minimum of $200 to $250 into the account, and that, that can vary. But once you deposit the money, you just follow the instructions and you can begin trading. Now, if you're still intrigued by the system and want to take it for a test run, here are some tips to minimize your risk. Don't accept matching deposit bonuses. This is especially if you're new when opening an account, because if you decide to quit, it's difficult to get a refund. Okay, it's also sometimes difficult to get refunds of any kind. And sometimes, if you want a refund, you might have to do 1,000 or more trades in order to qualify to get the refund. So you really need to be careful, read between the lines there. Now, if there is not a demo account, ask a manager to open a demo account for you. It's just a dummy account with fake money. You can practice trading and see how it all works. When you feel comfortable, try some real trading, and in the end, if you feel this isn't the system for you, just close all the accounts, and remember, you can usually get your money back if you have not accepted any matching bonuses, but not always. Okay, now for the affiliate marketers out there, or if you're someone deciding whether you want to be an affiliate marketer instead of an end user, you'll be in competition with more experienced marketers. But again, that decision is yours to make, because you have to start someplace. And if this is the place you want to start, there's nothing wrong with that. Now, I think that Jason Evans is an absolutely brilliant software marketer in the field of trading binary options, and has put together a really intriguing marketing product with Enigma Code. This product could really fill many trading and marketing needs, assuming it works as well as advertised. Is it risky? Well, not if you do your homework. Should you use the system? Maybe. Ask yourself the following yes/no questions. Number one, do financial analysts use these trading systems themselves often? 2, are alert systems 100% reliable? 3, can you always get your refunds? 4, have you checked out the recommended brokerage with the U.S. Commodities Futures Trading Commission with positive results? And 5, do you have money you don't need and won't miss? Just count up your responses, and this will help you to make an informed decision about using the system. Remember, you're rating your own personal risk, not the risk of the software. Okay, and 2, you should base your decision on your own rating determined by the research you've done to answer the above questions, and not on community buzz. And if in the end the system turns out to be good for you, that's great, and I hope you enjoy using it. And it will actually, because it's on autopilot, will free up your time to do other things. And you might also want to consider using the Instant Payday Network program I previously suggested to make up any losses you may have incurred from using Enigma Code. If the system turns out not to be for you and you're struggling to make money online and experiencing difficulty finding the right program for yourself, well, realize you don't have to really spend any money to get help or to find a good program online, or to get help to make money on the internet. You don't have to spend money to do that. I've been using a free program that is a wonderful support system that's also for free, and it's working gangbusters for me. And here it is. Just want to tell you a little bit about it. It's Jeff Buchanan's Instant Payday Network, and there are no trial periods here because it's always free and yours to keep forever. Just click on the link below my website, passport to internetmarketingsuccess.com, to get it, or bookmark it to come back to it. I searched over the years to find a program that was free and time efficient. It had to be free because I'm not like a lot of these other marketers. They have tons and tons of money to spend on buying endless programs, and you always hear them complaining about how much money they've spent on programs that don't work and whatnot. Well, I guess it's a blessing I didn't have the money, but anyways, I wanted to try online marketing, and so it had to be free because I simply didn't have money to spend on these more expensive systems. And this is the best program that I found to date that's free. It's not the best program overall because I haven't tested all that, but I'm just talking about the best free program they found. And it has the two best kept secrets on the internet: traffic and conversions. And that's all you really need to know to make money online. And that's really, they keep it secret. So let me set your mind to rest about a few things. It's not an MLM. It's not a multi-level marketing because there's nothing to sell. No bugging friends or family because then there's nothing to buy. No cold calling, no three-way calling. And because there are no products, you don't have to track inventory, warehouse, or ship anything. So I know you're asking, well, how do you make money without any products? And basically, you're driving traffic to Fortune 500 sites. And when someone opts in and completes the free program and takes the free offers, which are steps one and two, the Fortune 500 companies pay you the money. It's that simple. But Jeff will explain it much better than I if you take a look at the program uh, before you leave, and he can explain that in detail. Now, let's take a look about what the program actually has. It's a complete turnkey marketing system that I've seen for $200 to $300 to purchase to make money online. And there is a free capture page, no monthly hosting fees with a 35 to 50% conversion rate. And if you tried to make capture pages, you know they're costly, and you know you have to monitor them constantly. And Jeff has saved us all the time and expense here. Um, and his system, as I mentioned, is built to bring in traffic and make the conversions. Now, there's a free automated sales funnel where you can get paid every day for the work that you do. If you wish, you don't have to, but that possibility is there. There's a free email autoresponder. I've checked those out. They can cost anywhere from $30 to $40 a month, but this is important because you want to start building your email lists, which are crucial to your business. And there's a free exclusive training center set up to make money with lots of resources to select from on driving traffic. Okay, so you can choose which method works the best for you. I refer to it as my little mini reference library. I've really enjoyed using it. I wanted to mention, let's see, yes, talking about free, the coaching and the training is all free. I will personally be your internet marketing coach. You'll have my phone number and email, and I will help you all that I can. Also, we have live webinars every week where you can ask all the questions and get the answers, and we have a Facebook page where you can ask questions and the response, the turnaround time is pretty good, I would say. Now, I want you to understand you're not going to be making $1 million overnight with this program. You'll probably start out at around $100 to $150 a day, and you can check that out by Googling Instant Payday Network Income Proof Statement. You'll find more than 6,000 people making money with this system, and some of them, I know it's shocking, are earning more than $10,000 a month. Um, Now, if you're interested in the system, remember, click the link below. Um, and see what works for me and my team every single day. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. I just hope it makes sense. And if you decide to purchase Enigma Code, I hope it works for you. If it doesn't, bookmark this, come back, take a look at this, or as I mentioned, use it together to make up for any money you may lose using the Enigma Code because you're not going to win 100% of the time. Here's an overview of the system again. It's a complete system, everything you need to start making money online, and it's all free. A wonderful system to start you out learning about online marketing. Even if you're an advanced marketer, I'm sure you will appreciate this system. Well, I hope this review was helpful and everything makes sense. Give you a little call to action here. Please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Wishing you all the best, my fellow internet travelers.